Excel is a spreadsheet program. Normally this type of programs have a similar appearance to what we see here that we are seeing in the 2010 version of Excel. A spreadsheet is normally a table of positions of cells, as they are usually called. They occur through the intersection of columns with rows. This is a kind of grid in which we have a set of positions in which, as we will see, we can enter values, enter operations, formulas, etc. in such a way that Excel is transformed into a powerful program for helping us to solve typically rather complicated calculation problems. Okay, this is the appearance of Excel and all programs called spreadsheets. Excel in particular is from the manufacturer Microsoft. It is included in its Office suite.